Hi, my name is Amanda Millstein. I am a primary care pediatrician in Richmond, California, as well as a co-founder of Climate Health Now. I am celebrating the 50th anniversary of Earth Day this year during the global COVID-19 pandemic by calling on California's Governor Newsom to ban fracking in our state now and to impose 2,500-foot setbacks for all oil and gas operations in California immediately. Fracking is bad for our health and it is bad for the environment. We are seeing this especially right now during the COVID-19 pandemic. Fracking leads to air pollution and it leads to increased rates of asthma and lung disease. COVID patients in areas with high levels of air pollution are more likely to die from the infection than are people who are living in parts of our state and parts of this country that have lower pollution levels. Above all, the reason we are fracking is to extract more fossil fuels in order to combust them. Burning fossil fuels leads to climate change. Climate change poses a direct threat to our health and the health of our children. For our kids especially, climate change will result in food and water insecurity, increased incidence of heat stroke and heat-related illness, and greater risk of infectious disease, much like the pandemic we're currently living through. Climate change is an existential threat to our health and to the health of our children. Governor Newsom, be the health leader we need. For our health and the health and future of our children, we ask you to do the following. Number one, immediately implement a plan to phase out all fossil fuel extraction in California. Create a plan for a just transition of the workers and their families whose economic livelihood will be impacted by this phase out. Number two, implement a minimum 2,500-foot setback from any oil and gas drilling site in California to provide immediate protection to the 5 million Californians who currently live within a mile of these sites. Continued combustion of fossil fuels is incompatible with a future for our children and their children. Governor Newsom, it is not every day that you have the opportunity to save lives, especially the lives of children. These measures, supported by the medical and public health communities throughout our state, are a first step in what must be our future direction, if we are to have one. On this Earth Day, I am asking Governor Newsom to be a health leader. Ban fracking now, impose the 2,500-foot setback for all oil and gas operations. Our health and our kids' health depends on it.